Hello, welcome to LuitBiz DMS. Let me show you how the system works. First of all, LuitBiz DMS is a completely responsive system, which means that it fits all devices, whether it's a computer or a tablet or a mobile phone. You don't need to download any mobile apps to use the application. You can just go using your browser to use the application. So now this is the login screen. So once we log into the system, we come to this home screen. Here in this system, there are two types of users. One is the admin user, whose job is to create the different business locations, create the users, divide them into different groups, set the settings of the system, the email notification system settings, and the different types of settings for reminding people about the different document alerts. All those things would be done by the admin. The other module, the main module, is the document management module. Now once we click on it, we come to the home screen of the document management module. Here throughout the system, you'll see that all screens have an audio guide which you can listen to by clicking on this button out here, and it plays out the audio guide for whatever you can do on this particular screen. The second are the video guides. So once you click on this video icon, the video guides for this particular software opens up, and none of these video guides are more than 4 minutes long, so it takes around 45 minutes to learn the whole system completely. So the learning curve is extremely low. And all the links that are required to run the system are available right here on these 4 boxes. Of course, these links are also available on the left hand side navigation menu. On the dashboard, we also have these different tabs which has different alerts. All the document management alerts pertaining to you start appearing out here as and when you use the system. The document related alerts appear for you out here. The workflow alerts, because the system also has a built-in workflow management system where you can design your workflow processes for document approvals and also attach electronic signatures to the approved documents. So all those alerts that are generated for you appear in these boxes. And of course, since in this system users are divided into different groups, with each group having a leader, the group leaders have the option of deleting unnecessary documents as and when necessary. There are two types of deletion. One is the end of life deletion. This is especially useful for compliance purposes where documents need to be retained for a particular period of time. And the other is manual requests for document deletion, where the group users can actually ask the group leader to delete particular documents, and he or she can delete it. And all these document deletion reports are available to the admin user as a report, so that there is a complete audit trail of whatever the deletions has taken place in this system. Now the group leaders can create folders and give access privileges in those folders to the different users. And once the folders are created and access privileges are granted, users can upload documents using any of these two links. First is upload document, where you can upload document in any file format. We do not have any restriction on the file format except exe. You can upload any file. And the other one is upload scan document, where the system has a built-in OCR using which if you upload a document, the system reads through the scanned document, whether it's in an image format or a PDF format, and makes it completely searchable, because in search we have a lot of options including full text search. So as you can see, there are different search options including full text search out here. So we have a lot of different search options for searching for documents. As far as retrieving documents, you can list the documents, you can view the documents that you have. For example, once I click on the name of the document, I come to the document detail page, which contains all the information pertaining to the document. I can view the document out here right on my browser. So it opens up right here, and then I can see whatever is available in the document. Then once I go back to the document detail page, I can of course view the complete audit trail of the document, like who has done what on the document and when, and that is completely available for you out here, along with date and time stamp, which is very much essential for various compliance purposes. The complete audit trail is out there. And of course you can see who has viewed the document and who has not viewed the document out here. The second tab out here is the most important tab, which lets you do all the different activities on the document, like renaming the document, hiding it, or adding the related documents, so that from the document detail page of this particular document, you can also view the the documents related to this. You don't have to go and search for each and every document. It's like arranging paper files in a particular folder and viewing them from one place. Then the system has a built-in version control using which you can manage the different versions of the document, and the different versions of the document appear here, so none of the versions are lost. Whatever is made the main version appears out here, the active version appears out here, and the non-active version of the document appears in document history. Then also you can send this document for approval. Here there are two types of approvals. One is straight line approval, where you send this document for approval to another person from here, and that person receives an email alert, and he or she can log into the system and approve the document along with his or her electronic signature. And if that person is approving the document via a mobile device, they don't even need to type in their approval comments. They can just speak on the mobile device, and the mobile browser types it out for him or her, and then the approval takes place very smoothly. You can also email the document right from here to any other user, to any other person who is not a user of the system. As I mentioned earlier, the system also contains a workflow management module using which the group leaders can actually define the workflow approval processes for the different documents out here, and the system sends out email alerts accordingly, and the users can also take care of the approval process. The system also has a document tagging or document indexing feature, where for audio and video files, users don't need to, if there is no full text search, the group leaders can define their own tagging templates, and users can put in parameters for those tagging templates and search for audio or video files, or say AutoCAD files, depending on whatever parameters they enter. So that search is available out here under document search, which we call it document tagging search. So, and in addition to all this, document management system, LuitBiz DMS, also has a lot of document communication based capabilities. For example, all the communication pertaining to the document can take place here. Every document has an attached discussion forum where all the discussion pertaining to the document can be taken place here, and then this can be searched through later on, and any broadcast pertaining to the document can be posted from out here, and all the stakeholders of the document would be alerted right from here. So there's no need for sending out separate emails or calling for a meeting or having a telephone conversation or an online conversation pertaining to the document. Everything can be done out from here, and everything is recorded for future reference. So and of course the system generates a lot of reports pertaining to the DMS usage. You can view all the reports out here. The group leaders also can view group reports, and they can also drill down further and view further reports depending on whichever criteria they select. So depending on whatever criteria they select, they can view the reports of the documents that has been used in this system. So this is what the system is all about, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in contact with us. Please visit our website www.luitinfotech.com, or write to us at sales@luitinfotech.com, and we'll immediately get back to you. Thank you for watching the video, and have a great day. Bye.